Hello, and welcome to the Slant Stitch Square, the third part of the Odyssey of Textures blanket. For materials, you will need a size 4 yarn. I'm using this color burgundy, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will loosely chain 25. For row 1, we will single crochet in the second chain from hook and then into every chain across the row. When you're done with the row, you will have 24 single crochets. Row 2 begins the repeat pattern. To start, we will chain 3 and turn. In the next stitch, place a double crochet. Skip the next stitch, and after the skip stitch, place 3 double crochets, each double crochet going into its own stitch. After the double crochets, you will do the slant stitch. To do this, you will yarn over, insert your hook into the skipped single crochet, not into the hole, but into the actual stitch. Pull up a loop, pull that loop high to where it's even with your working spot of your row, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You should have a piece of yarn going diagonally across the 3 double crochets. And you repeat this. You skip a stitch, 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the missed or skipped stitch, pull up a large loop to where it's even with your working location, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat down the row until the last 2 stitches. When you have the last 2 stitches, double crochet into the last 2 single crochets. When you're done with row 2, you should have 5 slant stitches. Row 3 is simple. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet down the entire row. You will have 24 single crochets. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until the square measures approximately 7 inches. Once the square reaches 7 inches, it is time for the border. Chain 1 and turn. 3 single crochets into the corner. Now, 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat around the square, 3 single crochets into each corner and 25 single crochets along each side. To join, slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Chain 1 again, and then fasten off with a large loop. The front of this square is when the beginning tail is on the bottom right corner. I also like to mark my square with a small piece of paper and a pen. This will let me know in the future which side is the front of the work.